Jeffy.
Why do you keep hitting me?
Because you're a bad... You're a bad boy.
Why?
You're a bad boy because you pick your nose and put your boogers all over the back of the couch. You because you're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
You Santa thinks I'm a bad boy?
Yep, Santa thinks you're a bad boy.
What?
Because you spill glitter all over the couch and you make my life horrible. You just started the bathroom?
Yep.
You're a bad boy, Jeffy!
Yeah, bad boy, Jeffy.
You said Jeffy's a bad boy.
Yes, I do.
You said Jeffy's a good boy.
Well, yeah, you just don't hit your head. Use the toilet.
Dang, it's too late. I already pooped my pants.
You already pooped your pants?
Well, guys, we didn't make it, but we'll get it next time.
We'll get it next time, Daddy.
That's it, Jeffy. Today you've been a bad...
What did he say?
He said we're a bad boy.
No, he did not.
Yes, he did.
You said Jeffy's a bad boy.
Jeffy, stop. If you stop crying, I'll buy your toy later. Just go play or something.
That kid's in trouble, Daddy.
You're
He's gonna get his butt.
you're messing up the living room. You're messing with the camera.
I didn't do that.
Jeffy, that's it. You're
Grounded.
What? You mean, Jeffy, that's it. You're double grounded.
Daddy.
Grounded means no toy, no TV, no fun things, Jeffy. You're bad.
You said Jeffy's a bad boy.
Yes, it's on.
You're grounded.
You're not grounded if you help me clean up the living room.
I'll just take the grounded off.